Tanaka-Johnston analysis is a mixed dentition analysis that predicts the width of the unerupted canines and premolars based on the sum of the widths of the mandibular incisors. The armamentarium required is a mixed dentition cast, a divider, a ruler and a marker. To determine the space available, the space from the mesial aspect of the first permanent molar in one quadrant is recorded from the contact point till the distal aspect of the lateral incisor in that quadrant. This is done separately for each quadrant in both the mandibular as well as the maxillary arches. This therefore gives us the space available in each quadrant. To calculate the space that will be required for the eruption of the canines as well as the premolars, the mesodistal widths of the four incisors of the mandibular arch are recorded. Once this is done, the mesodistal widths of the four mandibular incisors are added and this is divided by 2. For the mandibular arch, the obtained value is added to 10.5 mm to obtain the sum of the widths of the mandibular canines and premolars in one quadrant. Similarly, for a maxillary arch, the same value of the mesodistal widths that we had obtained from the mandibular incisors is divided by 2, and to this value 11 mm is added to give us the space that is required for the eruption of the canines and the premolars in each quadrant on both the maxillary and the mandibular casts.